Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all good. So today in this lesson, we're gonna talk about how to make long simple sentences, right? So inshallah, Arab sakhaynati akata sentences itti gootu jechuudha. Sentence dheeraa tokko fakkeenyaaf Ingiliffaa biriidaa tokko akkaataa itti ijaartu goonaa jechuudha. Sentences, right? Okay. Amma with 5 WH. WH jechuun who, what, when, where, and why. Who jechuun nama jechuun nama fakkeenyaaf who is that man? Yoo ta'u nama jechuun nama agarsiisaa jechuudha. When jechuun yoom jechuudha sa'a fakkeenyaaf yoom when, right? Where jechuun eessa jechuudha boota place, right? Bootarraa dubbataa jechuudha. Why jechuun sababni isaa jechuudha. Why? Why do you do that, right? Gizee akkas fakkeenyaaf goote Samboda, when is Sara, where, Bota, who, Namasan, why, Sabamni. Okay, for example, Hun Anamti, I like Beresi, then I like, then I like it, Namni Fakea, Wine Joe, Mani, I can't remember about in him nature. Samboda, what do you like? I like eating chicken. And one in Yachu Barbado, I like eating chicken. Okay, namni kun yoom nyaachuu feeta yookiin eessa nyaachuu feeta kan yoo nyaachuu fedhe. I like eating chicken. Gidan je samboda where do you want to eat chicken? I like eating chicken in the kitchen. Where jechuun boota agarsiisa je rooftanaa simee jechuun. I like eating chicken in the kitchen. When yoom jechuun amma fakkeenyaaf when in the morning. Why? Because it is very delicious. Amma baka sentence guddaa tokko jaartee jechuudha. Baka amma sirriitti jee baka waanuma barreessan irra deddeebisi. I like eating chicken in the kitchen in the morning because it is very delicious. I like eating chicken in the kitchen because it is very delicious. Right? I like eating chicken in the kitchen because it is very delicious. Maalin takkamade? Who, what, when, where, and why, right? Shanay kanan takamade akanat sentence dheeraa kan jaaree jechuudha. I like who do you like? I like. What do you like? I like eating chicken. Where? In the kitchen. When? In the morning. Why? Because it is very delicious. Amma fakkeenyaaf jijjiiruu hin danda'a jechuudha. I like eating chicken. Where? In the kitchen, right? Then you're gonna say like when? In the afternoon. Roftana in the morning to empty. I'm afternoon in the evening. The jury on this side, right? You're the jury on this. I like eating chicken in the kitchen because it's very delicious. I like eating chicken in the kitchen in the morning because it's very delicious. So I hope you can understand. It's a beautiful lesson. So if you don't understand this lesson, how to make a sentence, just let me know in the comment. But if you understand, just grab your pen and your book, then write down what I'm saying. Then maybe you can understand a lot of things. Then repeat over again. Then just try your best to speak a lot of, to make a lot of sentences, right? Like this. I like eating chicken in the kitchen in the morning because it's very delicious. I like eating chicken in the kitchen in the morning because it's very delicious. Just make it. I promise you can do it. I promise you. So try your best. Go ahead. Nigo jechuudha. I like waan hin jaalladhu chicken lukkuu in the kitchen. I like eating chicken. And waan hin nyaachuu barbaadu lukkuu jechuudha. Where in the kitchen. Alawaadaa keessatti in the kitchen jechuun kitchen if you chicken xiqqoo fakkaata. But don't worry. I'm gonna make it more easier, right? In the kitchen alawaadaa keessatti when in the morning ganama. Why? Sababni yoo because it is very delicious. Delicious jechuun ni mi'ooyti jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf geessa guutuutti akkam jetta I like eating chicken in the kitchen in the morning because it is very delicious. So I hope you can understand. It's a beautiful sentence. You can understand, right? Okay. So until next time, stay awesome, stay educated, continue learning, spreading the love in the world. So peace out.